Starting around 23 June 2023, Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in very most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is very huge. Jasmy for the most part has a kind of complete market cap of $199,356,581, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $25,601,159, or so they explicitly thought. This for the most part makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, essentially positioning at 135 in the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin especially be truly worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023? Which essentially is genuinely huge. Will Jasmy cost most certainly outperform its untouched high, or so they especially thought. These generally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a for the most part significant manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost in every way that really matters is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $0.005, the normal extremely least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the essentially current year, ought to be $0.005. Besides, Jasmy can in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.006 in an all things considered significant way. Jasmy value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin in every practical sense is estimated to be at around a kind of least worth of $0.004, truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Jasmy coin value worth can really arrive at a kind of limit of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.004 in United States dollars, which in a real sense is very huge. Jasmy coin value expectation July 2023. Jasmy coin cost truly is supposed to truly reach between $0.004 to $0.005 in July 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of Jasmy for the July sort of stays around $0.005. Jasmy coin value forecast August 2023. Jasmy coin cost generally is supposed to reach between $0.005 to $0.005 in August 2023. While the very normal cost of Jasmy for the August basically remains around $0.005. Jasmy value conjecture September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may basically arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.005 with a really least cost of around $0.005, which in every practical sense is very huge. Discussing the exceptionally normal value, Jasmy can explicitly stretch around $0.005 for September, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Jasmy value figure October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.005, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.005, with the really normal cost around $0.005, or so they explicitly thought. Jasmy coin value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large greatest cost for Jasmy coin could sort of stretch around $0.006, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in November 2023 truly is $0.005, with a truly normal cost of $0.005 in a really significant manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value gauge December 2023. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.005, while the greatest determined cost explicitly is around $0.006, exhibiting that besides Jasmy can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.006, which in a real sense is very critical. The especially normal cost for Jasmy in every practical sense is generally anticipated to by and large reach $0.005 in December 2023 in a very huge way. Jasmy coin kind of past value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto especially has been for the most part diminished by 5.56% in its sort of current worth, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Assuming we most certainly look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. From most recent 7 days, the Jasmy in a real sense was an essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.3%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin in a real sense has shown most areas of strength for certainly of potential of late. And this could be, all things considered, great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, showing how Jasmy coin truly passed value examination in the all things considered recent hours. The crypto in a real sense has been certainly diminished by 5.56% in its by and large current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy generally diminished by 39.101%. Disposing of an incredible really normal amount of $0.003 from its in every practical sense current worth, which especially is very huge. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a by and large great truly purchase and open door for truly fast speculation. Further appearance how Jasmy coin. Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Jasmy cost certainly is supposed to fundamentally cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.005, the normal truly least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to especially be $0.005, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 20.31%. And the cost generally coursed from a base fundamentally normal cost of $0.005 to all things considered, greatest most certainly normal cost of $0.005 in the kind of beyond 90 days, or so they most certainly thought. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Jasmy coin explicitly has shown a developing pattern, which especially is genuinely huge. Subsequently, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market basically were very famous at that period, which really is very huge. As per without a doubt the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin basically is expanded from 4 months in a by and large enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost in a kind of large manner. The coin for the most part is up by 13.74%. With the genuinely greatest especially normal cost of the coin by and large was around $0.003 and the base genuinely normal cost of truly was around $0.003 and beyond 4